Alright guys, so for the past few days, I've been working on getting this new intake manifold just right. And I made a new one primarily to help get rid of any airflow inefficiencies. Um, the airflow is more direct from the vacuum to the valve, so I think that helps with RPM a lot. I've definitely gained, I don't want to say how many RPM yet, but it's definitely higher than from the old intake manifold. Added the vacuum port on the top to make it easier to use so that I don't have to just hold it on the side all the time. I can just leave it like up here and sometimes it'll stay up by itself, so that's nice. I like this new intake manifold a lot. It's really helpful. I also added counterweights to the crankshaft. So as you can see, there's a big half circle on the bottom. On all four crankshaft pieces. It bounces roughly 50% of the force from the piston. So it doesn't balance it completely, but it does help quite a bit. So all of that, I'm not saying how much RPM yet, but it is at least above 2250. So yeah, let's see how it does. So before we start, the throttle body intake thingy doesn't have an actual throttle body yet, so I've just been using this suction changer on my vacuum nozzle. You can just twist it like that. Helps a little bit, but it doesn't keep the RPM very low. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I have no clue what just happened. Wait a minute. Okay, I think this axle in here might have broken because I just had to replace it. Alright, so I took the engine apart and unfortunately, as you can see, the axle in here has snapped. So, this is the only piston axle that isn't carbon fiber, and I don't think I have another one. Whenever I get another carbon fiber axle, I'll come back and see if we can get any higher RPM. Because it looked like it only got up to 2000, I think. But earlier it was going a lot higher. Surprisingly, it was higher before I added this extra counterweight on here. So maybe I'll just have to go back to the old version. Because honestly, they do make the engine smoother, but they don't help with RPM like I thought they would. And it seems like they're breaking these axles a lot quicker. And I don't even know how this happened. Like, I can't twist it. It's like it friction welded or something. I don't think it did, but I don't